Welcome, ladies, to session one. I'm so excited you're here. If you are over 50, menopausal limitations, this is an exercise for us. So I am a military veteran, and so I have lower back problems. And so when I would go through a little bit of physical therapy, there are certain things that were taught to me that I'm sharing with you now. And one of the exercises is a chair exercises. So chair exercise. So this is going to be simple. This is not going to be filtered. This is just me in the kitchen doing an exercise, okay? And you don't have to have proper clothing on. You can be in your pajamas, in your bathrobe, in your street clothes. You can have your hair done, hair not done. I just wake up and go and do my exercises. Shoes, no shoes, flip-flops, it doesn't matter. Just be in your kitchen or maybe another room that you like, just to have a chair. And you will want to do these exercises. You could do in the middle, but try also sitting on the edge more. This will give you a little bit more balance when we're doing these. So I'm excited to go through this session one. And if you would like a guide on the benefits of chair exercises for those ladies that are over 50, let me know. Put the word guide in the comments and I'll be happy to share that with you. Are you ready to begin? And also let me know if you have any questions, ladies. Let's go. Let's do this. You got it. First exercise, sit tall, ladies, in your chair and start moving your hands up and down in a march, in place movement, and then lift your feet off the floor like you're marching. This is going to be great for your hip flexor muscles. I like to call it the hot flash hustle. Even though we may not be in a hot flash, we're going to move through it. We're not going to stop for it. Let's go, ladies. You got this. Next exercise is our chicken wing walk, ladies. Sit tall in that chair with your hands resting up. Lift your elbows up to your chest level, just like that. Start walking in place. While doing that, you're going to open and close your elbows. So this is our chicken wing walk. Don't worry, no one's judging you in your kitchen. Breathe through these exercises. This is a great activity for stretching those chest muscles. Back to our seated walking, ladies. Now we're doing the where did I put my coffee walk? Because I know I just had it like all the time, ladies. So this exercise, we're going to, again, activate those hip flexor muscles, so important as we age. You're sitting tall on that chair, moving your hands up and down in a march in place look. Remember to lift your feet off the floor. You're doing great, ladies. So proud of you. Sit tall in the chair with your hands resting on your thighs. Lift your knee up and punch toward your left. Lower the hand and mirror the movement on the side. This one is called the Not Today Punch. We're releasing stress, attitudes, anything that didn't go your way today, ladies. There we go. Up, up, and punch. Sit tall in the chair with your hands resting in your thighs and begin to march. Move your hands up and down and march in place by lifting your feet off the floor, ladies. Nice and easy because, yes, ma'am, we still got it. I want you to say that. I still got this. You're doing great, ladies. If you can't lift all the way, just lift a little bit. You're doing wonderful. And remember to breathe. Don't hold that breath. I know you tend to do that. I know I do. The next one, sit tall in that chair, and you're going to step sideways with your right foot and push your arms down in the direction of your leg. And then you're going to go back and forth between sides. Push down, push down. This is the no thank you push. Ladies, we're going to be toning those arms and practicing boundaries today. Push those arms gently down. There you go, ladies. The next exercise is our seated walk. So we're going to march it out, ladies. By this point, it's like, don't rush me, march. We go at our pace. You're doing great. If you want to stretch out those triceps, just kick it out on those elbows. Otherwise, just march in place. And remember to breathe. We're almost done with this exercise, ladies. You're doing great. All right, next exercise is our snow angels. Straight up with your arms and then go right back down. So we're going to repeat this just like you're making snow angels. But we're not getting on the floor, of course. Not today. You can go halfway up. Do whatever's comfortable for you, ladies. But always remember to keep breathing. Don't hold that breath. Have to adjust there. I'm hitting my table. Now we're going to march. Sitting march. Who says we can't sit and get fit, right? We're doing this one step at a time. You're doing great. Here we go. Lift those elbows to stretch those triceps. You can do that if you want. If not, just go back to marching. Our next one, we are going to raise our arms in front of us. It's like our praise break, right? Or when you go through a finish line. I love this one. It's like we've already won. We're going to keep marching. So still sit tall, keep marching, lift your arms up and above your head. Now we're going to go back into the seated march. Or sometimes at this point it might be a shuffle. So you already know this one, so keep it coming. We're not going to rush. We're going to have purpose. So keep marching, ladies. So proud of you. Keep it going. Breathe. And our next one is coming up shortly, ladies. Now we're going to raise our arms and we're going to go lift our legs like we're marching. So this is the wait, which way are my circles? Because that's half the time I feel this way. But you're going to sit tall, keep your arms extended to the sides, and then clockwise circle them. And then while you're doing this, don't forget to march. Next, we're going to go right back into that march. This is our glow and go march, ladies. We're not just moving. We're glowing today. Really feel it. You're doing so good. I'm so proud of you. Now on this one, you're just going to keep those arms moving and marching. You're doing great. It's a good reset and breathe. Tell yourself, you got this. I'm going to do it today. This is your day, ladies. All right, the next one, ladies, we're going to keep your arms on the sides of your chest just like that. And we're going to go onto the side like a chicken wing, but stretch that side leg. It's that, follow me kind of a move because we're just doing it just the best way we can. Do your best. Just keep moving. Remember to breathe and don't rush. There we go to the seated march. Breathe in, keep seated up. Make sure your posture, don't ever bend that back. Keep a good posture, ladies. Sometimes we can do neck exercises too at the same time. Breathe, breathe, breathe. You're doing wonderful. Here we go with the stretch. Now, what I want you to do is hold your chair with your left arm, your left hand, and then stretch. So you're going to support that body weight with that holding the chair movement and then raising your arm over your head and bend your body towards that side. If you have to go halfway, go halfway. This is that, ooh, this feels real good move. Take a breather, reach, give your body some love. We're going to do the opposite side too. Don't hold your breath. There you go. Hold that seat on the side and stretch. You're balanced and beautiful. Ladies, we deserve both sides stretching. This feels so good. Breathe. You can go halfway or all the way. Stretch it out. You know your body. There we go, halfway. There's so many ways you can do this stretch. Push yourself each day. All right, now we're going to do the hamstrings. You can start slowly going down your leg. And then this is like, oh, my hamstring moment. And then push that foot up. Or you can you can rest your hands on your thighs or your waist or slide all the way down. Just breathe slowly. Let your body soften. You're going to feel that stretch on that side. We're going to do the next side. We're going to complete the balance and the stretch. Don't rush, go slow. Stretch, keeping that foot up. If you can't do all the way down, move to your center thigh or all the way up to your waist. Still with the foot up. And breathe. And know that you've done a great job. I'm so proud of you. Alternate between sessions 1 and 2 throughout the week. That's it. Woohoo! Happy dance. Now, you'll need to get some water and rest, ladies. You did such a great job.